Action.
And action. All right, hey, welcome to another Bergamot Wine Company unboxing video. It's February. Thank you, Jodee.
You hold a pizza in your heart. Oh, I want to hold a pizza in my hand. So we have 3 reds and a white. Let's start with the white. So what's going on,
here?
Kevin?
What's going on here? We know it's a Falangina.
Well, let's read. Maybe we'll figure it out. An ancient grape whose recent success has played a big part in the commercial recognition of the wines from Campania as a whole.
I want to get into some of these reds.
Piedioso?
Sure.
Piedioso?
Don't look to me for answers.
These two share the spotlight around the Gulf of Napoli.
Salianico Powerhouse Red. Pretty much endemic to this region. Great stuff, too. Oh, wow.
I don't like to share.
I'm gonna go with a Gragnano.
Gragnano. So let's talk about Schiacinoso.
Incorrect. Continue.
This is the only place anywhere you will find this grape. It's because it's unpronounceable.
Yeah, well done, Italy.
It is a local blending variety, sometimes called Olivella.
That sounds nice.
Easy. Perhaps someone someday will champion Schiacinoso. Nobody ever will because you can't pronounce it.
Oh. And our bottle has a good amount of little prickle, little spritz.
Stop. Wait. Do not open. Is it cold?
Oh, they should maybe put that earlier in the description.
So it's supposed to be like a Lambrusca, right? Yeah, it's great.
This is great,
I could see where that would taste really good chilled.
So this is one that does not easily pigment its juice. Winemaking 101, you squish up grapes, you leave them, the skins in the juice, the skins impart the color to the grape juice.
That is definitely a rustic.
Oh, rustic, elegant though. Oh my God. Smoky and
yeah.
slightly tarry, spicy with cinnamon. Yeah, he just right,
For me,
it's good.
it's better on the palate than the nose. Well, this is great.
That I'm looking forward to.
Coastal Campania.
This is a revelation. Thank you, Bergamot Wine Company.
Thank you, Bergamot Wine Company.
Amazing.
Again, you've dazzled us.
Dazzled.
Yes, we
All right.
love you.